Well, hello, and welcome back to Tim's Brick Adventures. Today, I am going to show off, discuss my other favorite theme in Lego, and that is the Samurai Orient theme, of which there have been a few. There's the current Ninjago, and then back in the early 2000s, they had the Ninja series, which also was Samurai, had temples and all kinds of cool stuff. But then prior to that, there was the Adventures series. And within that, there was a subset called the Orient. And today, I would like to show off, talk about this wonderful set right here. Now, I'm going to apologize off right now because apparently this set, nobody on Bricklink has one for sale right now. I don't know about eBay, and the last one that sold for $547. So getting your hands on it might be tough, and it might be easier to piece one together. But I can tell you that there are some items within the set that are gonna set you back. One in particular is this very cool dragon. And I looked on there, and the price for him, US money, is $65 just for that little beauty right there. It also comes with quite a few figures. The main bad guy. Now, I didn't open them up. I bought this, I got a complete set, but I bought it and then I modified it and used it in a big display. So I guess of the people, the figures, I just never took them out of the little bags that you that the person sold them to me, put them in. But it is a really cool, it's a Johnny Thunder, who is prominent in all the adventure sets. And I'm sorry, I don't know the names of all of them, but the Professor and Marianne, no, I don't know what her name is. But these all are figures, these three, and the bad guy, this dude here, are all featured in most of the adventure sets. And then there was this really cool armored dragon guy, and I'd be willing to bet he costs a little bit of money. So, what I wanted to show off today, I took this set, predominantly I built it, but then I modified it and added a lot of things to it, and it was part of a big display that I did back in 2016 for Brick Fiesta that was here in Houston. And so I did the castle, did some things to it, and then I built a nice other area that went in front of it to make it a complete compound. So I'm going to show off all of that today and a couple other little things. So sit back and enjoy the show. Okay, so we're back. So here is my completed version of set number 7419. Now, some of the things I did differently. All of this I added in those pillars on top. These two critters here actually are from set 7413, and so they're kind of the guardians of the temple. The minifigs, that's my version of Kung Fu Panda, and I'm not sure, he's just a warrior on there. There's some more of the warriors that I showed you in the bags a few minutes ago. I ordered quite a few of them. I got a little army of them. But I added all of this and I raised it up. So I made this big rock base all around here. And then I added this little cool thing. The Eternal Flame, more warriors there. And just all kinds of little touch additions and stuff. I kind of jazzed this up. I think it was just a black, it looks like it's just black plate around here, but I added the red instead and kind of prettied it up a little bit. Moving on around here. Some more people, figures that I created. Some are Ninjago, some are from the original. My son, at this point, my son was helping me do stuff. So some of these figures he put together. But predominantly that's the play set, just what like I said. It's not much, it was just such a cool set. Something I forgot before, this vehicle comes with it too, in addition to all them figures and the dragon. So pretty awesome set, and it could probably be enclosed and even more done to it, and I may eventually do more with it. I just kind of got off doing my Wild West thing. So that's that part. So then I took a lot of parts that I had and I created this little temple training ground, I guess, so to speak. There's Bruce Lee, trained with a couple fighters, a couple sumo, lots of detail. Kind of a little bit of the Bruce Lee Enter the Dragon flair to it. You know, there's the one scene where they're before the whole tournament starts, and there's all these little things going on. There's a sword dummy. That is actually a brick warrior piece. There's Sensei Wu doing the tea ceremony. And just details, flowers. This is a part of the stairs that is with the original set of the temple. And I'm going to put it, I'll put it all together here momentarily, and you can see the whole thing together, but I wanted to kind of highlight most of the windows I just ordered a lot from the Ninjago sets. They're pretty easy to come by, and so I order a lot of them and have a lot of them, and a lot of the stickered parts, Ninjago. So I'm pretty happy with that, and I've kept that all together, and it's actually been displayed a few times. Something I wanted to show off, the actual display, and I'll throw some pictures in. It's a pretty good sized display. It's a battle scene with the blue samurai attacking this fortress, which is the red samurai. But this is kind of a little outpost that protecting the main castle. Now what's cool is these cannons with the dragon heads. Now my son, who would have been 10 at the time, came up with that. I was very proud of him. I was very happy. I don't remember how he did it or what but that was his idea, and so I kind of made it a little more permanent and made it fit into the whole thing a little better, but thought that was a very cool. So I will probably never take that apart, just because it really is pretty awesome. There's better lighting. And I get asked a lot, but this base is Lego. And they're not really expensive. I don't remember what sets they came with. I saw them in a display at a convention and thought the way they were utilized was just so neat. So I looked them up, and sure enough, they were Lego, and they were very reasonably priced. So I have several of them that I want to use at a later date. So I'm going to take a break there. I'm going to put it all together so you can see the whole thing and in all its glory. Be back in a minute. Okay, and we're back. So here is how the whole thing fit together. I had to raise it up to get it up above so you could see it above this part that I built. To be honest with you, I kind of started this and it was going to be kind of something else, and then I got to thinking about, I had this sitting on the shelf and I got to looking at it and I thought, oh, that would make a really cool temple all together. So then I ran, like I said, the issue that without this rock base, it set down too low and you really couldn't see for the display at the convention. So I had to raise it up, but so I was very happy. And this actually sits at the very back, the display itself, of which I will have a picture. It's probably comes out to here. There's a whole area and then a waterway and a wall, rock wall along this side, and a waterway out here with a boat coming in, and then some area where the battle's going on. So it's a pretty deep, probably I think it's 5 feet long this way, and then it was like three wide. So anyway, that is my modification of set 7419, and I hope you enjoyed it and hope you enjoy checking out all the details. And if you can ever get your hands on this set, I would definitely do it. It is a very cool set. So, as always, please check the like if you liked it. Please share if you liked it. And please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I thank all of you who have been checking out my videos and giving good comments. Y'all are great. So until next time, enjoy building. Thank you.